This is one of my students. But before you watch this result, let me tell you something. If your paint is not covering wall, two or three, inconsistent between badges, you are losing money every single day. Not small money. See, real money, customers, trust. Because in paint manufacturing, one bad product can destroy your reputation. Now, watch this carefully.
Good day, everyone. My name is Dan Oluwatosin. I reside in Ado Ekiti. I am the CEO of Vibrance Luxurious Paints and Coatings Limited. I came across Glina Artistic Paint Consult Limited online, and I participated in the online training. And as you can see, I've been able to produce different types of wall finish. Here are my clients' work, and they are ready for delivery. Here I have my wall satin, and these are matte finish. And here I have my primers. Thank you so much, Coach Glina, for being a wonderful facilitator. I appreciate all your support and mentorship. May God continue to bless you. Thank you so much.
Now, let's break this down. By the way, thank you also, Tosi, for being an amazing student. And I appreciate the fact you chose us for learning and, of course, building your paint manufacturing skills. So, like I said, let's break down this because what you just saw is not luck, it is not talent. You see, most manufacturer before this stage are struggling with one, weak matte paint, dull satin finishing, inconsistent color, poor thickness. And they think, let me just try again, let me adjust small. That is guessing. And guessing is expensive because every failed batch equals to wasted materials, that is your chemicals. Every complaint equals to loss of customers. Every inconsistency equals to damage trust. Now, let me say this clearly. If you don't fix your paint system, your business will stay small, your customer will not trust you, your income will not grow. Because in this industry, consistency is everything. So, what actually changed? It is simple system, not motivation, not trial and error, a system. You see, matte and satin paint performances depend on binder strength, filler balancing, viscosity control, flame formation. If one fails, everything fails, and this is not guesswork. Rather, this is formulation control. If you're still producing paint by guessing, you will keep struggling. If you are serious about building a real paint business, not trial and error, then join the PMB program because what you just saw is what happens when you follow a system. But here's what most people don't understand. Producing paint is one thing, producing paint that sell is another. Let me show you the real differences. In real paint manufacturing, you don't just mix paint, you control performances. Matte paint needs balance, smooth finishing, good coverage, while satin paint needs strong binder, better flow, and high durability. Most people fail because they don't understand the differences. They use the same approach for everything. That is why their paint fails. Factories don't guess. I keep saying this. They control. This is not guesswork. Rather, this is a system used in producing paint. If you want to grow your paint manufacturing business, think like a factory, not like a mixer. If you are serious, remember to join the PMB program, because if you don't fix your system, your business will remain unstable. Now, let's talk about money. Yes, talking about money is essential because that is why you are a paint manufacturer, and of course, you're running a paint business, or rather, you want to start a paint business. When your paint improves, customer comes back, painters recommend your paint product, you increase in price when selling your product, yes. But when your paint fails, they leave, they don't complain, they switch brand. So understanding this helps your paint business. And what is that? Consistency equals to trust, and trust equals to profit. Now, here is the system. Control formulation, that is number one. Number two, use correct chemicals. Number three, maintain consistency. From the beginning of this video to this point, I know you've heard the word consistency. There is a reason why I'm telling you this. Now, the fourth is follow process. Very right. The fifth is test results, because one mistake affects everything. This is not guesswork. This is a system. Remember, you are not guessing. You're following a system. Through the GMN Global Paint Network, manufacturers are now producing and supplying across different regions. This is real business. Also, special thanks to our manufacturer lab YouTube membership, and of course professional members supporting this channel, and to our amazing Glinified community and students worldwide. We appreciate you for choosing us. Let me say this clearly. What you saw at the beginning, when my student was giving a review how he produced his max paint and satin paint, and of course is giving it out for delivery. It is not magic, it is a system. So stop guessing, start building, start controlling, start producing like a factory, because consistency builds trust, and trust builds profit. Remember to subscribe for more real paint manufacturing tutorials, and if your paint is still not performing, then your formulation is already weak. Watch the next video why your paint is not covering well, and low hidden power explained. Until next time, bye for now.